Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install MemberPress with Stripe for protected content access, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install MemberPress with Stripe for protected content access, start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section in the left sidebar and click on Add New. In the search bar, type MemberPress and press Enter. Locate the MemberPress plugin in the search results and click on Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate to enable the plugin. Next, go to the new MemberPress tab that appears in the dashboard menu. You will need to enter your MemberPress license key. To find your license key, log into your MemberPress account on their website. Copy the key and paste it into the designated area in your WordPress dashboard. Click on Activate your license. Now, let's set up your payment gateway. In the MemberPress menu, click on Options. Scroll down to the Payments section. Click on Add Payment Method. From the drop-down menu, select Stripe. You will need to enter your Stripe API keys. To obtain these keys, log into your Stripe account. Navigate to the Developers section on the left menu. Click on API keys to find your publishable and secret keys. Copy the publishable key and paste it into the corresponding field in your WordPress dashboard. Do the same for the secret key. Once both keys are entered, click on Update Options to save your changes. Next, you'll create a membership level. Navigate to the Memberships tab in the MemberPress menu. Click on Add New. Enter a title for your membership level. Set a price for the subscription and choose the billing type. Scroll down to the Access Conditions section. Here, you can specify which content will be protected under this membership. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Publish to create the membership level. To protect specific content, navigate to the post or page you want to restrict. In the Post Editor, scroll down to the MemberPress Unauthorized Access box. Select the membership levels that should have access to this content. After making your selections, click on Update to save the changes. Your MemberPress setup with Stripe is now complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.